Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Forms of government. The first form of government to be discussed here is the unitary system of government. And here we mean, and we'll say that a unitary system of government is defined as one in which all powers and authorities for the exercise of the functions of running a government are concentrated in the hands of a single central authority. Here, powers are not shared between the central government and any other component units. Britain, France, Italy are countries adopting unitary system of government. Features of a unitary state. Number one, it is best practiced where there are no sharp differences in religion, language, political belief of the entire population. Number two, the system is easy to practice in a relatively small country where the government has representatives from every ethnic group in the society. Number three, power rests on the central government. Number four, the central government still remains the only source through which power flows to other areas. These are the features of a unitary state. We'll now go into reasons for the adoption of a unitary state. Why have some countries adopted to be unitary states? Number one, management of functions. The central government can adequately manage functions and at the same time monitor effectively functions delegated to other component units. Number two, small country. Unitary system is easy and best adopted in a relatively small country. Number three, homogeneous factor. It is best practiced in a state where there are no sharp differences in language, religion, political beliefs, etc. Number four, control and accountability factor. Accountability and control are best initiated in this system of government because it involves a single authority. Hence, one of the reasons for the adoption of a unitary system of government. Number five, absence of tribal grouping. Since there is no marked difference in tribes, unitary system is adopted because no tribe will ever think of dominating others. Merits of a unitary system. Number one, the cost of running this government is relatively lower than the federal government. Hence, there is no function duplication. Number two, quick action is taken in the areas of decision making and execution, since the central government alone takes decisions. Number three, there can be no conflict of authority regarding responsibility for work to be performed, since the central government has all the powers. Number four, it enhances quick political and economic advancement. Number five, absence of tribalism or sectionalism can bring about unity in a country. Demerits of a unitary system. Number one, the attention given to the people in the local areas may be poor. Number two, the minority could be oppressed and dominated by the majority. Number three, development of the various units of the country could be slow and unprogressive. Number four, tensions could mount among the various sections in a country over claims that a particular tribe is controlling the government. Number five, there is usually an overload of functions as a result of the concentration of powers in a single central authority. These are the demerits of a unitary state. We'll now go into the next form of government, which is the federal system of government.